Sarah, what's happening inside that courtroom right now? What do we know?
So right now we're just going through some introductory remarks. Judge Berman had made a couple of unusual statements. Firstly, he mentioned that he found Epstein's death by suicide shocking and that not what anyone had expected. Secondly, he called out a media report that apparently appeared this morning that said that this hearing was unnecessary and would only add drama to the discussion around Epstein's death. And he called that, he was incredibly disturbed by that statement. He said he was still shocked by it. And he said that this hearing was essential. It was a matter of respect for the victims and a matter of law. He said that it was important that these victims were treated with dignity, and that's exactly what's going to happen today. We're told that there are up to 30 women who are expected to speak. They were invited last week by the court, and they were told that they could either speak personally or they could have their attorneys read a statement on their behalf. And we're told that it's going to be some combination of the two. There may be some last-minute changes. These women are incredibly nervous about speaking in open court, they told me. But they really want to say their piece, and they have a couple things they really want to say. First of all, they're going to detail their pain and their trauma and just the incredible impact that Jeffrey Epstein's conduct had on their lives, some of them as young as 14 years old. The second thing we're going to hear is a lot of anger and frustration that Epstein was able to die by suicide last month in government custody. And because of that, these victims are not going to be able to have their moment directly facing him in court. 3 of Epstein's attorneys are in court, so they will be able to speak to them, but it's not the same as speaking directly to their accuser. And third, I think we're going to hear a lot of anger and frustration and just genuine bewilderment that Epstein's alleged co-conspirators, other adults who victims believe had full knowledge of what was going on and enabled it, that there has been no criminal prosecution of them to date. Now, the judge has indicated that that is an ongoing investigation and of tremendous interest, and it's possible that we may hear more statements about those other possible co-conspirators here today in court.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.